Most of the students are losing their concentration into the classroom and ultimately the results in examinations. So before I go into the details about those points which I am going to suggest you, if you will follow these 5 points, you can improve your result, right? So these 5 points are related to your classroom behavior. So for that purpose, I am just trying to develop a physical situation, right? So for that purpose, the physical situation is that the examination hall is equivalent to the battlefield. Your question paper is attacked by the enemy country. The soldiers in the battlefields are equivalent to the students. Equipments used by the soldiers into the battlefield are the study tools which you use, like the pen, notebook, and textbook or other related items which one use for their study purpose. So these are the similarities between these two different situations. So I have considered here that the examination hall is equivalent to the battlefield, classroom is your training field, students are equivalent to the soldiers, equipments of the soldiers are study tools, question paper is attacked by the enemy country. For any country, the ultimately game is to win the war. And similarly here for the students, the main purpose is to crack the examination, to get the good result. And for that purpose, if one thinks that before the war in battlefield or before the examination, he can crack or win the war within 1 or 2 day preparation और ट्रेनिंग, इट कुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. देखिए, यह बिल्कुल भी संभव नहीं कि आप एक दिन की ट्रेनिंग या 2 दिन की ट्रेनिंग से कोई भी फिजिकल वॉर इन बैटल फील्ड जीत सकते हैं. और सेम सिचुएशन इज ट्रू फॉर दी एग्जामिनेशन. एग्जामिनेशन के 2 दिन पहले पढ़ने से कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन या क्रैक नहीं हो सकता और आप उसका अच्छा रिजल्ट नहीं ले सकते. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस what the soldiers do, if suppose any time any enemy country attack on them, they regularly do exercise, right? They train by the expert, they use their equipments. So everything whatever is needed to win the war, they do everything with full of dedication. And similarly in study life, one students have to focus on every points which are useful to their learning, their knowledge. So it have to be a regular part of their life, in a student's life at least. So for that purpose, I am just discussing those 5 points in a systematic way, not taking enough time of you. That number 1 point is your discipline, physical discipline. If you are disciplined into the classroom, right, no doubt your mind will be automatically disciplined. Your mind will be in your control. But if suppose you are not physically disciplined into the classroom and you do some loosely activity, automatically your mind, your concentration will be loose. So first of all, the first point and the important point is physical discipline into the classroom. So because of that, what will happen? Your mind will be in your control. The second point, is the responsive nature. Your nature should be responsive nature. If suppose a teacher asks anything to you, you have to immediately give the response of that question asked to you by the concerned teacher. So responsive nature is very important, and this was the second point. Third point is the initiator. You should be initiator, right? You have to take initiative first of all. If suppose a teacher throw a open question into the classroom, so you should be able to take the initiative to give the response of that problem. So by this, what the benefit you will get? You will get the leadership quality if you take the initiative into the classroom for any situation which is open or close ended, right? Open ended means the problem is given to all students, and all the students just wait and you take the initiative, right? So this was the third point, that one have to be initiator. Fourth point is text recorder, and this is very important point. Whatever is going into the classroom during the discussion, when your teacher is telling something about any topic, you have to write everything which makes some sense in your mind. So by this way you can write that sentence in your own language, right? So this was the fourth point, that is the text recorder, which note everything, right, which happens into the classroom regarding to your subject or any particular topic. So I told you right now the 4 points. Number 1 was the physical discipline, number 2 was the responsive nature, and number 3 is the initiator, and number 4 is the text recorder, and at the last, number 5 is the time manager. You should be a perfect time manager, and for that purpose you have to keep one diary with you. Whatever assignment or work is given to you in the classroom, you just note down and try to complete it in evening or during the night time before you go for the sleep, right? And during when you go for the sleep, then that time you have to check those points which you have completed or which one is pending. So you have to see it yourself, the which one, the points which one you have to give the priority, and the other points which can be extended up to the next day. The good thing is that you have to complete all the pending job on the same day. So these 5 points will help you to boost your energy, to give your confidence, and at any time if someone asks this question related to the subject, you will be able to give the answer of that immediately. So these 5 points I am sure will help you in your study. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. If you have any problem or any question, you just message me below this video.